He went up to like these like 6 bikers, like who didn't really want anything to do with us initially, but he like broke the ice really quick, like by pointing to my car, and he goes, "That car's gay, right?"
Oh my god.
And then they were like, "Yeah, well, I wouldn't choose that color." And then like a kid came up, like everybody was really nice, and it was like a great experience. But like, and then this kid came up and was like, "Yo, hit this vape." I don't know if he was talking to me or Danny, and Danny's like, "Let me see." Danny took the vape and threw it across the street.
Oh
and
my
the kid like was ready to kick his fucking ass. The kid was like, "Why the fuck would you do that?" And Danny's like, "Gang, gang, fuck you." And it was really funny because I'm like, this is like everything. Is like
Hate.
it's like my biggest fear, right?
Yeah.
Of like filming in public and drawing attention to ourselves.
Yeah.
But it was such a fun experience because I was like, this is like, I feel like I'm on a fucking field trip. Like it literally, it feels like I was like, it felt like a Make-A-Wish kid who was like thrown into someone else's content that he's only seen, and I'm like, what the fuck is going on? It was